Now, with all of these different brand name medications, you really just want to flip the box around on the back, and a section that's called the active ingredients. It'll tell you exactly what's listed in that medication. And through all of these different Mucinex and DMs and the Deltum and the Dayquil and the Theraflu, they'll all have the same thing, either dextromethorphan or guaifenesin. So whenever you're choosing whether you want something to help actually block your cough, or if you want to have something to help loosen up the mucus in your chest, these are the things that you want to look for. Either dextromethorphan, which is going to help suppress your cough, or guaifenesin, which is going to help loosen up that mucus.